Hello, my name is Veronika Höfer, and on behalf of my co-authors, I'm going to present you a short introduction to our manuscript, A Growing Concern for Cashew and an Unexpected Risk from Almonds, data from the Anaphylaxis Registry. The Anaphylaxis Registry was established in 2006 and collects data on anaphylactic reactions that happened in real-world settings in a standardized way. The recruitment of patients who suffered from an anaphylactic reaction within the past 12 months takes place in specialized participating allergy centers, and data is entered by trained health professionals. Overall, the Anaphylaxis Registry includes 16,988 cases. 5,945 of those were food-induced and 1,389 were elicited by tree nuts, which means that 23% of all food-induced reactions were caused by tree nuts. For further analysis, we limited our dataset to those with a clearly confirmed elicitor status, and this led us to an analysis sample of 845 children and 238 adults with tree nut-induced anaphylaxis. When we look at the distribution of the eliciting tree nuts among children and adults, we can see that the leading cause of tree nut-induced anaphylaxis among children is cashew, followed by hazelnut and walnut. Among the adults, the most frequent elicitors were hazelnut, followed by walnut, and surprisingly also almond, which is in general considered to be a relatively safe tree nut. Potential cofactors were present among 17% of pediatric reactions and 50% of the reactions among adults. Adrenaline was used during professional treatment for 42% of the children and 39% of the adults. When we have a deeper look into cashew-induced anaphylaxis, we can see that 97% of those affected were children, and most of them were infants or very young children. Furthermore, the frequency of cashew-induced anaphylaxis increased over time, which you can see by the blue line, which reflects the relative frequency of cashew-induced anaphylaxis among all cases of food-induced anaphylaxis, while the rate of anaphylaxis induced by other tree nuts did not increase. If you are interested to read more about tree nut-induced anaphylaxis, you can find our manuscript online via the link shown here. Thank you for listening.